If you ever thought that moulding details were just for traditional homes, think again. Today I'm going to show you how Intrim timber mouldings can elevate any space, no matter what the style. Hi, I'm Erin from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm at this home we've renovated in a Cali Cool style, a beautiful blend of some of our favourite design styles with lots of natural materials and a touch of glamour. Take a look up here at this statement ceiling. We created it using Intrim mouldings which add instant detail, helping bring our vision to life. And the best part? It was super easy for our builder to install. And with Intrim's extensive range, you'll find a profile to suit every interior style. Now these mouldings are made from pre-primed FJ pine, so once they're up, they are ready to paint. Plus, they offer great longevity compared to standard MDF options, giving you peace of mind that it's built to last. Opting for styled Intrim timber mouldings like these over standard spec mouldings is a cost-effective way to add a premium finish and increase the value of your home. On average, it only costs an extra $20 per square metre to upgrade to timber. When you're ready to order, visit Intrim's website to view products and purchasing options. From order to installation, it's smooth sailing with support from their expert team. So whether you're renovating or building, why not elevate your space with Intrim? Jump online to their website to pick your perfect profile.